live stream. So one thing I want you guys to know is like tangent. How do you remember tangent? Well, here's the best way I like to do it. We need to remember tangent of theta equals y over x. Okay, so I think that's just one thing most students we need to know. You need to know this part of the unit circle, the intercepts. -1, 0. And this point is going to be 0, -1. Okay, so remember y over x. So if you're going to go, if you're going to take y over x, 0 over 1, that's going to be at 0. And then remember this angle is pi halves. You can see that is undefined. And then at, if you went to negative pi halves, right? Negative pi halves, you'd see that's undefined as well. Boom. Then there's basically your graph. So you need to know that at least it's how it's approaching for each one of those, and you can plug in values. But I think one of those times when students forget, it's not so much the graph of tangent, like it recognizes that S curve, it looks like the cubic. But I think the other important thing to people will get stuck with tangent is where the asymptotes, and that's where I like to use the unit circle. The other thing, this doesn't really go into graphing tangent, but I think with students, it is very important as long as you understand the transformations of your trigonometric your functions, you'll be fine, right? A is going to be your stretch and compression, as well as reflection about the x-axis, right? B is going to be your horizontal stretch or compression, also changing the period, right? Because remember the period is pi divided by B. C is going to be your horizontal shift, left and right. And then D is going to be your vertical shift, up or down. And there you go.